Hello and welcome to this Curiko video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on a computer. So I already have the Curiko homepage open here for us to take a look at. If you are not there, you open your browser and go to www.curiko.ca, enter that in the address bar of your browser where you type the W address, and it will pull you to this page here. To log in, you're going to click the log in button there, and then you're going to enter your account information. If you don't already have an account, you can find out how to do that by accessing the tutorial on how to create an account. So I already have my account here. I'm going to use a different account than the one I have autofilling, because that one's already filled out. And I'm going to press log in. From here, you'll be taken back to the Curiko homepage, and you're going to notice a couple different things. Where you want to look to edit your profile is in the top right-hand corner of the page, where it says your initials there. And you're going to click on that button. Then you're going to click See Your Profile, and you will have access to your profile here. Right now, this one is not filled out because I have not done anything on this particular account. So, if I want to edit it, I'm just going to click Edit Profile. Now, I can edit my name by clicking the little pencil. I can change my profile picture by clicking this button right here. I can edit a bit about me, again, by clicking the little pencil. Type in, I am a curator at Curiko who likes flamingos and frisbee. And I can save that there. A feature that is new to Curiko is you can add your strengths and your interests as well. So if I click on the pencil there, then I'm going to have a bunch of different choices to choose from of strengths that I can highlight about myself. I like to think that I have some creativity. I definitely have an appreciation of beauty. I'm very curious. Sorry about my Slack going off there in the background. I probably have some zest, sure. So I'm going to click, you can click a bunch of them, and I'm going to click those ones for now, and save that. And now I'm going to go and add some interests. So you have a bunch of different interests to choose from as well. I really like music, I like history, I like fitness, I don't like dating. I like art, science, social issues, sure. And those are the ones I'm going to pick for now. And click save, and that will save. And then also have the chance to add pictures as well. So if you want to add photos of your maybe your artwork or like important people in your life, really, you can add pretty much whatever you want. It will open up a selection form here where you can search for pictures in your computer, and that's the same for adding your profile picture as well. Just click there and you will have the chance to select photos from your computer. That's how you edit your profile. I'm getting slacked quite a bit, so I'm going to finish this tutorial and hope to see you on the platform sometime soon.